I've been doing a lot of reminiscing, and I've been remembering our early days together. And it doesn't fail to put a smile on my face every single time.
This is the first day of my life. Swear I was born right in the doorway. I went out in the rain, suddenly everything changed. They're spreading blankets on the beach. Yours is the first face that I saw.
Ang Diyos ang gumawa ng daan, no? Para magkita sina Lars at Tina. No? So isang araw ng April 2006 sa isang training room sa JMT building sa Ortigas. Nagkita sila.
I guess you could say that we were both too weird or too cute in our own little ways. The nuances between us, complementing each other perfectly. And it's breathtaking to step back and admire the grandeur of what we've become through the years. And man, those were some of the pictures of my life.
Alam niyo po, ito sina Marie Chris. Nung nakita ko pala silang dalawa ni Larry, talagang sabi ko, babagay sila. And we're very glad today that both of them tied knots na because matagal na rin sila and they're not getting any younger. Pero as you go on to your married life, as they said, it's not bed, it's a bed of roses, so there are thorns, no? Make every moment a moment to remember.
Now I am standing before the most beautiful woman I've ever known. And I mean beautiful not just in a superficial sense, but in as many ways a person could possibly be. My powers of self-expression can never express fully how much you've meant to me all these years. You've stuck with me through thick and thin, and nothing gives me greater courage and joy than the knowledge that you'll always be with me through the rest of my days.
So are you to me as the ruby in the city, as the fruit upon the tree, as the wind.
Lars, you came into my life unexpectedly. Who would have thought na ang pagiging mag-seatmates natin noon during our call center days would spark the fondness that we have for each other. It has been 6 years since that fateful day. Takot na takot ako noon, pakiramdam ko I'm about to lose a best friend. But at that moment, na umiiyak ako habang magkayakap tayo, it just hit me na hindi lang best friend ang turing ko sa'yo, kung hindi mahal na kita. Oo, Lars, noong araw na yon, mahal na mahal na mahal na kita.
Are you to me? So are you to me?
Si Lars, marami siyang napansin at nagustuhan sa katabi niya. Yan, no? Ano daw po yung mga nakita niya, no? At nagustuhan, no? Una daw, si Tina ay shy. Yan. Pero, bukod sa shy, siya'y charming din. At yung kanyang charm No? It came across in a subtle yet spontaneous manner.
Congratulations to Larry and Tina. Sabi ko lang is, Lars and Tina, sana maging masaya yung life niyo as a couple. At the same time, enjoy nyo lang. And then, nandito lang kami ng mga barkada mo parate. Alam mo naman yung number ko, pre. Laging naka-online. Yung pag dumating sa buhay mo, may tinatawag tayong ups and downs. Alam mo na. Alam mo yung number namin. Yun lang. Congrats and a toast for Larry and Tina.
Kuya Lars, congratulations. I just wish for your lifetime happiness together with your future kids. And alam niyo naman na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Basta nito lang ako palagi para sa inyo. Congratulations again.
Gusto ko lang pong i-share sa inyo kung anong klaseng anak ang aming si Christina o si Marie Chris. Siya po ay napakabait, mapagmahal, at lahat isasakripisyo para sa mga kapatid at sa amin ng kanyang daddy. Wala ho sa ano namin na siya ay tumigil sa pag-aaral. Pero siya mismo, sabi niya, "Ma, tigil ho muna ako. Kasi naman, ako naman ay nasa college na kailangan yung mga kapatid ko muna ang magpatuloy kasi sila ay nasa high school. Magtatrabaho ho muna ako."
I held on to that love to deepen our friendship more. At ako na yata ang pinakamasayang babae when finally you uttered the words, "I love you." We've been almost 6 years as a couple now, and there's no greater feeling than knowing that from this day on, uuwi ako ng bahay na ikaw na ang kasama ko. The man who is my best friend and the love of my life.
bigyan din nila ng panahon ang magpapatibay at magbabasbas ng kanilang pagsasama bilang mag-asawa at ang kanilang buhay pamilya, walat nilitiba kundi ang Panginoon.
Wise men say only fools ration all that I can't help falling in love with you.
Tina, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Lars na naririto ngayon, alinsunod sa batas at mga alituntunin ng ating banal na simbahan?
Opo, Father.
Lars, buong puso ba ang pagkakaloob mo sa kanya ng iyong sarili bilang kanyang asawa?
Opo, Father.
Nakalaan ka bang balikatin sa piling niya ang pananagutan ng buhay may asawa?
Opo, Father.
Darling, so it goes. Some things are meant to be. So take my hand.
Yours is the face that I want to see every time I wake up in the morning. And nothing will give me greater pleasure than to cook you breakfast. You just need to teach me how. We'll do a lot of things together. We'll go to a lot of places. I'll feel that I am the happiest man in the world when I leave this cathedral with your hand in mine. And I can't wait to embark on this new chapter in our lives together with you, Tina, as my wife. I promise to cherish, honor, and love you with every fiber of my being until my dying breath. I love you.
So won't you please just take my hand?
Pinapangako ko na habang buhay mo akong makakatuwang sa lahat ng bagay. Hindi ba sabi mo nga, ako ang tag team partner mo? Kahit hindi mo naman ako itag, I can assure you that I'll always be by your side. I'll show the world how lucky I am to have you as my husband, and will show them how great of a team we both are. I love you so much, baby.
The moment has come to face the truth. I'm wide awake, and so are you. Do you have a clue what this is? Are you everything that I miss?
Don't hope so.
We'll just have to wait and see. If things go right, we're meant to be.
The surface is gone, we scratched it off. We made some plans, I let them go. Do you have the slightest idea?
No, I don't.
Why the world is bright when
Oh,
it
is that so?
Stay a while and wait and see.
Wait and see. If things go right, we're meant to be. Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget all your technicolor dreams.
So on all of this, ang sasabihin ko lang, pero alam niyo na yon na it's always understanding and trust that you must give to one another for you to last. At masaya kami kasi lahat ng pamilya nyo ay nandito and we are sharing this happiness. So on your whatever it is, we wish you all the goodness, good health sa inyong sa inyong married life. Sana palagi kayong masaya.
Go right, they'll have to agree. Oh, what a world this life would be. Forget all your technicolor dreams. Forget Mother Nature. This is how it's meant to be.
evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mixi lang to, ha? Ilang alam ko English, ha? Sa mga lahat ng dumalo, ako'y nagpapasalamat. Hindi lang ang panahon na nakisama at tayo binigyan na ng napakagandang panahon. Umapasok pa lang ang June, ay kinakabahan na talaga ako. Dahil ang pagsisikap ng aking anak, ni Tina at saka ni Lars, ay ang preparasyon ay talagang napakabigat ng kanilang pinagdaanan. Kaya ako'y natutuwa at pinagpala tayo ng magandang panahon. Kaya sa mga bisita, makakarating sila ng maayos, makakaalis ng maayos sa kanilang pupuntahan.
Inyong pangarap na dumating na pinakamimiti ay ang kasal. Madaling sabihin ang kasal. Sa pagsasama ng mag-asawa, ang adjustment ng mag-asawa ay 7 taon bago makilala ng tuluyan ang bawat isa. Sa experience ko at sa nakikita sa inyo, sana at dalangin ko na sana tumagal ang pagsasama nyo tulad ng mami at daddy at kami na rin, ang mga tita nyo. Yung konting tampuhan, huwag nyo paaabutin sa loob ng 1 araw na hindi kayo magkakasundo. At laging nakapamagitan sa inyo si Lord always.
Sa tindi ng nararamdaman niya para kay Tina, habang sila nag-uusap sa telepono, ano daw po yung nagawa niya? Para siyang nagkaroon ng mistake o blunder. No? Dahil di ba ang golden rule, huwag mong sasabihin, I love you sa telepono for the first time. Nagawa niya. Siguro sa tindi ng damdamin niya, no? Nabanggit niya yung magic word na I love you, Tina. Si Tina daw pala, no? Ganun din ang nararamdaman. No? So, ano daw ang naging sagot ni Tina? I